Hey you guys! Welcome to another episode for today's video. Mag-unbox tayo and our friends from Honor just sent us a new product which is the Honor X8D. This is the latest product that they are coming out in the couple of weeks. So buksan na natin siya. Let's check it out. Ano ba maganda dito and hopefully you pick it up. Kasi ako, if I'm a student, hindi na ako student pero yung anak ko, if medyo mas malaki-laki na siya, I would probably give her an Honor phone like this. Pero yun nga, tingnan natin ngayon and let's see. Okay, so labas muna natin siya sa bag, sa eco bag. Tingnan natin ito. So, bam! Ito na siya. But there. So, X8D is coming out soon. And ito yung ano natin. Unbox natin siya maya-maya. And let's see why this is your next bet for students and mid-range people or tight budget. This is perfect for you guys. Okay guys, so buksan na natin yung Honor X8D and let's see kung ano laman and check natin kung ano yung mga perks nito, ano yung mga laman ng box and ano yung mga features na syempre magugustuhan ninyo, especially kung student kayo. So okay, ito na yung Honor X8D. As you can see here, nabuksan na natin ng plastic. So let's just look at the box itself. So syempre, it's the standard Honor design. You can see the logo. It also has the AI button. Tapos on the side, it's the Honor X8D. We have a couple of specs and details here. So the ROM is 256, the RAM is 8 gig, and color is light blue. Tapos dual SIM siya, and you also have free case. On the other side, it's just the logo again, and on the side, Honor. And let's open it na. Let's go. Okay, so ito na yung box itself. So, ang laman is yung phone. When you first open it, remove natin yung phone. Actually, mamaya na natin ano yun to. So, tingnan natin yung iba pang laman ng Honor X8D. So, ito muna. Dito muna tayo. Mag-focus tayo dito. So, we have the wall charger. And ano ba nakalagay dito sa wall charger niya? Wala naman nakalagay. Yan, supercharged lang siya. So again, supercharger, kung gusto niyo ng mabilis sa charge for your Honor phone, use the actual products from Honor. Meron din tayong USB cable and syempre alam na natin to, this is the standard USB Type-C. So balik natin yan dyan. Tingnan natin yung laman ng box. So nandito na nakalagay yung ating SIM ejector. So natin yung laman. Okay, so yung case that comes along, tingnan natin kung anong kulay. Clear ba to? Kasi minsan may mga ano na may color eh. Yeah, clear. Medyo darkish na siya, no? Pero maganda pa rin yung quality niya. Okay? Tapos, what else? Meron din tayo, nagtipid na sila. Ito na lang ngayon. One ano na lang. For the, manual to eh. Yeah, quick start guide. Okay, and wala na. Okay, so dyan ka muna sa side. And we're done with this, and we're also done with this. So let's check out the phone itself. Okay, so let's check the phone itself. So blue ang color niya. And yes, tanggalin na natin yung sticker. Okay, so check natin yung actual phone. So ano bang laman na to? We have two cameras, 1, 2, and ito yung LED light niya. We also have the standard na siya for recent releases ng Honor, which is the Honor logo here. And then on the side, buksan natin to. So ito yung AI button na sinasabi nila. This is also for the Google button. So kung may mahanapin ka, ito na yung gagamitin mo, Google. Tapos ito yung front, and the camera is here sa harap. And here we have the power button and the volume controls. As you can see also sa side, medyo elevated ng konti yung design ng camera, lens dito, which is also nice. Tapos, this is made of plastic. And then the color is again, as I mentioned, blue. So maganda rin naman yung design ng color, yung quality ng plastic nila, which is really nice. Tapos sa baba, ito yung speaker niya, and then yung SIM ejector, and yung USB port. Sa taas, wala na. So it's just one, one lang yung speaker niya, which is sa baba. Tapos, ito na yung design. So, yun nga guys, can't wait to check this out. We will be doing a video review soon and syempre written review. Pero for now, let's just check this out and more details will be coming when the launch happens around next week yata or next week. Anyway, thank you for watching guys. Please like the channel and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.